today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account within QuickBooks using a service called Wise. We'll make this process simple and straightforward so you can focus on what matters most, running your business efficiently. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. If you're a business owner or someone managing finances for a company, you're probably already familiar with this platform. It's a powerful tool that helps you keep track of income, expenses, and everything in between. Open your web browser and type QuickBooks into the address bar. Once you reach their homepage, log in with your credentials. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to create an account and set up your business profile. But for today, let's assume you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're in, look for the Accounting tab. You'll find it on the left side of the dashboard. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see an option labeled Bank Transactions. This section is pivotal because it's where all your financial data comes together. It'll show you an overview of all transactions, something that can really empower your financial decision-making by providing a comprehensive view of where your money is going and coming from. Now you'll see a button that says Connect Account. Clicking this is the gateway to integrating external bank accounts into QuickBooks. You're asked to select your bank or financial service from a list. In this case, you'll type Wise into the search bar. For those who may not be familiar, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a popular platform for transparent, cost-effective currency exchange and international payments. Once you locate Wise in the list, simply click on it. At this point, QuickBooks will guide you through the necessary steps to securely link your Wise account. You'll generally be prompted to log into Wise using your credentials, giving the necessary permissions to authorize QuickBooks to access transaction data. This integration is immensely helpful because it automates the tedious task of entering transaction details manually. QuickBooks will sync with Wise, pulling in your transactions to populate your financial dashboard. This means fewer errors, easier reconciliation, and better oversight of your day-to-day cash flow. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully connected your Wise account to QuickBooks, making it easier to manage your funds and get accurate financial insights at your fingertips. This seamless integration will save you time, reduce errors, and help you stay organized. Remember, having an accurate financial picture is crucial for making informed business decisions, and you've just taken a significant step toward that goal. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!